In previous video we have studied how to draw a circumcircle, and in this video we are going to study how to draw an InCircle. Let's start. Our question is, construct triangle XYZ such that XY is equal to 6.7 centimeter, YZ is equal to 5.8 centimeter, XZ is equal to 6.9 centimeter. Construct its InCircle. Now tell me, what's an InCircle? Many of them you are knowing that what is a circumcircle? A circle drawn outside the triangle is circumcircle, and in this in circle it is ulta, you can say ulta. In a triangle that and in this in circle it is opposite of circumcircle, that is a circle drawn inside the triangle. If there is drawn a triangle, inside it there is a circle we are drawing, it is called a InCircle. Let's start. In the corner we have drawn a rough figure. You can also draw. Now here in this is a rough figure. Let's start. First we have to take a scale, and here YZ is equal to 5.8 centimeter. We will draw. Where is my pencil? Yeah, it is here. Now 5.8 centimeter, that it will come here. Okay, here it will come. No, I will draw in the center. .8 centimeter. And with the first we will name it Y Z 5.8 centimeter, and with the help of rounder, here it is 6.7 centimeter, measure 6.7 centimeter, 6 it will come here 0.7. Yes, we have measured here and put on Y, make an arc, make a big arc, and here it is 6.9. Take it 6.9. Already we have taken 6.7. Now we can easily take 6.9. Yes, it is coming. Just cut the arc, and which the arc is where anytime it is intersecting, just intersect that line to these 2 points. Just write 6.7, 6.9 centimeter. Okay, now how we will draw a InCircle? It is a big question, but I am having that answer. In previous video, or you can say in previous, we have done how to draw a circumcircle. In that we have drawn side bisector, yes, which was dividing this side side into two equal parts. It is 6.7. If it is 5 centimeter, it would be 2.5 centimeter. It would divide. And what is side bisector? Let me tell you with the help of D. It is coming 70 degree. Yes, it is coming 70 degree. Then angle bisector. What is angle bisector? If we angle bisector divides the angle into two equal parts. If it is 70 degree, then what would be the half of 70? Yes, 35. It would be 35 degree. Then I am telling you now how to draw angle bisector. Okay, place it on Y and make two arc. You can make two arc like this. Okay, and take more than half of this. Okay, I'm taking this more than half, and make an arc here, put it on this at this side, and make an arc. When you will pass out this line to that line, it would be angle bisector. Okay, because it is dividing into this angle into two equal parts, 70, that will come 35. Yes, it is coming 35. Here we have drawn one angle bisector of angle XYZ. We have to draw one more. You can draw this Y X Z angle also, but I am drawing XZY, this angle bisector. That step only we have to follow. You can make this type of arc also, because that will confuse you. May take more than half of that. Yes, and you have to make that arc just, and you just pass out that arc. Okay, here is the arc. Okay. Now here the angle is of 60 degree. No, here it is also 70 degree, so it is coming 35. Yes, it is coming 35 only. Now whether these two lines are intersecting, this would be a midpoint of the circle. We can mark it as O, point O, midpoint of the circle. And quite different step is here now. With the help of rounder, just make here U, and on this line YZ make U. Okay, make U. Okay, this is quite different. In circumcircle we have not make that U, but here in InCircle we have to make this U and place it on this side. These both are sides. Take more than half of this and just make two arcs. Okay, where it would be intersecting. Pass out the line through this. Okay, this would be perpendicular. Yes, because these two lines would be divided, because it is perpendicular. I have drawn the sign of perpendicular. And now put it on this O center, and the perpendicular we have get now, put it on that and just draw a circle. Okay, with the help of rounder, draw the circle. Now here is InCircle is drawn. So easy steps were there, but quite difficult, because in the previous one we have done the side bisector, and in this we have done angle bisector. If you have not understood till now, I have also made two videos of that for side bisector and angle bisector, and there is one more video, difference between angle bisector and side bisector. You can watch that video. If you are, I am giving my phone number, you can call me in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe. If you like my video, please press the like button, share my video and subscribe me. Till then, bye.